Hello student, I am Pramod sir, your maths teacher. Welcome to everybody today's online class. Student, today again I am going to take the your exercise 11.3 from the question number 4. So in my previous video student, I have told you till to question number 3. So today in this video I am taking the question number 4. So question number 4, firstly I am writing the question student. Question 4, a gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meter of 21 meter. Find the length of the roof. Find the length of the rope he needs to purchase. If he makes two rounds of fence. Also find the cost. Find the cost of the rope. Also find the cost of the rope. If it cost rupees 4 per meter, take pi is equal to 22/7. So student, this is the question, and this question is very most important for the view of your exam. So firstly, try to understand the meaning of the question. A gardener wants to fence a circular garden. Suppose that this is the circular garden. यहाँ पर प्लांट लगे हुए हैं स्टूडेंट, like this. So this is the circular garden. Find circular garden of diameter 21 meter. Diameter is, this is the center of the garden, circular garden, and this is the diameter. Diameter is 21 meter. Find the length of the rope. Gardener wants to fence by the rope. अपने गार्डन की वो फेंसिंग करना चाह रहा है. किससे? बाय द रोप. दिस इज द रोप. बट नॉट वन राउंड, एक राउंड नहीं, बाय द 2 राउंड ही वांट्स टू फेंस हिज गार्डन. 2 राउंड से इसको फेंसिंग करना चाह रहा है. सो स्टूडेंट, क्वेश्चन इज सेइंग फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ द रोप he needs to purchase. तो कितनी लेंथ की रोप उसको चाहिए फेंसिंग करने के लिए 2 राउंड में. सो स्टूडेंट, फर्स्टली वी फाइंड आउट द लेंथ ऑफ रोप फॉर फेंसिंग इन 1 राउंड. पहले तो हम 1 राउंड का निकालेंगे. कि 1 राउंड में कितना लग रहा है रोप. आफ्टर दिस वी मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2, देन वी विल गेट द length of rope in 2 rounds. But how can we find out the student length of rope in 1 round? एक राउंड में कितना रोप लग रही है, ये कैसे हम निकालेंगे? So student, the length of the, look here, length of the rope in 1 round is equal to the circumference of the circle, means perimeter of the circle. सर्कमफ्रेंस तो पेरीमीटर ही होता है. सो सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ द सर्कल. भाई जो ये रोप मैं यूज कर रहा हूं फेंसिंग करने के लिए गार्डन को, ये मेरा गार्डन है, सर्कुलर गार्डन है, और इसके चारों तरफ हम लगा रहे हैं, तो इसके सर्कमफ्रेंस के ही तो चारों तरफ हम रोप लगा रहे हैं. तो जितनी लॉन्ग, जितना इसका सर्कमफ्रेंस होगा उतना हमको 1 राउंड में रोप भी चाहिए, और हम 2 राउंड लगा रहे हैं तो 2 का मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. सो स्टूडेंट, and when you will able to find out the length of rope in 2 rounds for fencing, then you have to multiply by 4, because cost of 1 meter, 1 per meter, 1 meter equal to 4 rupees. So total कितना लेंथ की रोप लगी हुई है ये आपने निकाल लिया. आफ्टर दिस मल्टीप्लाई बाई 4, you will get the total cost of the rope. So student, I hope you have understood the concept of this question. So, which information is given? Firstly, note it down. Diameter of the circular garden is equal to 21 meter. It is given. It is given. And rate is equal to rupees 4 per meter, ये दिया हुआ है. एंड पाई का वैल्यू 22/7 दिया हुआ है. सो वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट द लेंथ ऑफ द रोप. सो स्टूडेंट, लेंथ ऑफ द रोप for fencing needed for fencing in 1 round is equal to circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle. It's right. 1 राउंड में कितनी लेंथ की रोप लग रही है? जितना इस सर्कल का सर्कमफ्रेंस होगा, क्योंकि इसी सर्कल के ही तो चारों तरफ हम रोप लगा रहे हैं. So, and you know how can we find out the circumference of the circle? 2 pi r. So 2 into pi, on the place of pi you can write 22/7. r student, diameter is given. Yes, look here, right here, diameter is equal to 21 meter. So if the diameter is 21 meter, so you can 20 रेडियस क्या होगा? हाफ ऑफ द डायमीटर, 21/2. सो 2 1 जा 2, 0 2 5 जा 10, 10.5. So we can write 10.5 into 10, no, sorry student, 10.5. 2 pi r, 2 into 22 upon 7 into 10.5. This is the length of the rope which we use in one round for fencing. So that will be equal to 22 into 2, 44, 44 into 10.5, 44 into 10.5. So student, 5 4 ja 20, 20, 5 4 ja 22, 22, 0 and 0, 1 4 ja 4, 1 4 ja 4, 0, 2, 4 2, 6 and 4. 462, 462 upon 7, 462 upon 7 and divide it. 7 6 जा 44, 42, sorry student, 7 6 जा 42, 4 46, 42, 7 6 जा, this is 66 meter, 66 मीटर लेंथ की रोप हमें चाहिए वन राउंड में फेंसिंग करने के लिए. सो टोटल लेंथ ऑफ रोप, टोटल लेंथ ऑफ rope for fencing, length of rope needed in 2 round, 2 राउंड में कितना जरूरत होगा? 1 राउंड में तो 66 मीटर, तो 2 राउंड में कितना आपको लगेगा? 66 into 2 is equal to 2 6 जा 12 and 2 6 जा 12 1 13 मीटर, 132 मीटर. वन राउंड में 66 मीटर रोप चाहिए, तो 2 राउंड फेंसिंग करने के लिए 66 into 2 that is 132 मीटर rope we needed. But student, question is asking me, find the length of the rope he needs to purchase if he makes 2 rounds. कितनी लेंथ की रोप उसे परचेज करनी होगी? 132. इट इज माई फर्स्ट आंसर. ये मेरा पहला आंसर है. इसका आंसर 2 राउंड में कितना आपको चाहिए लेंथ की रोप चाहिए. एंड सेकेंड क्वेश्चन आस्किंग मी आल्सो फाइंड द कास्ट ऑफ द रोप. 132 मीटर रोप मार्केट से आप परचेज करेंगे तो इसकी कास्ट देनी पड़ेगी. सो व्हाट विल बी द कास्ट? इफ इट कास्ट ₹4 per meter, so you can write like this student. I erase the figure here. Total cost of the rope is equal to 132 into 4 is equal to 4 2 जा 8, 4 3 जा 12, 4 1 जा 4, 1 5, 528 रुपीस हमें चाहिए खरीदने के लिए. मीन्स इट इज द कास्ट ऑफ द rope for making 2 rounds of the circular garden for fencing. So student, I hope you have understood this question very well. This is very most important question. So practice more at your home student. So come to the next question, that is the question number 5 student. So firstly it is this question. Question number 5, student, I'm writing the question. Firstly, from a circular sheet, from a circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter, of radius 4 centimeter, a circle of radius 3 centimeter, a circle of radius 3 centimeter is removed. Find, question is asking me, student, find the area of the remaining sheet if pi 3.14. The value of pi is given 3.14. So student, firstly try to understand the meaning of the question. Very easy question, student. From a circular sheet, this is a circular sheet, suppose that, and from the circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter, radius of this circle 4 centimeter, a circle of radius 3 centimeter is removed. From this large circle, a small circle of radius 3 centimeter is removed, like this, student, like this. So this is the 3 centimeter. Radius of this circle is 3 centimeter. This is the center of the circle. Center O is the center of the small circle and large circle also. So removed. Find the area of the remaining sheet. So if in the large circle we are removing this small circle, then which area is left, student? This area is left. You know very well. So what will be the area of the remaining? इसी स्पेस को, इसी प्लेस को, इसी एरिया को, इसी जगह को मुझसे पूछ रहा है. How can we find out? So student, this question is very easy. Firstly, we find the area of the circle radius 4 centimeter, with radius 4 centimeter. आप उस सर्कल का एरिया निकालिए जिसका रेडियस 4 सेंटीमीटर है. तो एरिया ऑफ द सर्कल, स्टूडेंट, यू नो पाई आर स्क्वायर. पाई, you will collect the value of pi 3.14 and r is 4 centimeter. So you can easily find out the area of the circle with radius 4 centimeter. And now find the, in second step, you have to find out the area of the circle of radius 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter radius वाले सर्कल का आपको एरिया फाइंड आउट करना होगा. Then you will use the same formula, pi r square, and on the place of pi you will write 3.14 and r is 3 centimeter. After this you will write a single statement. Now the area of the remaining sheet is equal to area of the circle of radius 4 centimeter minus area of the circle 3 centimeter. Area of the circle of radius 3 centimeter. Subtract and find the answer. So student, this is very easy question. You can do yourself. I have told you. पहले बड़े सर्कल का आप एरिया निकालेंगे. आफ्टर दिस सेकंड सर्कल का एरिया निकालेंगे, स्मॉल सर्कल का. बड़े वाले सर्कल के एरिया में से छोटे वाले सर्कल का एरिया माइनस कर देंगे तो आपको रिमेनिंग area of the sheet you will able to find out. So student, I hope you have understood this question and you will do it yourself in your share copy. So come to the question number 6 and question number 7. Question number means question number 5, 6 and 7 is homework for you. ये आपके लिए homework 5, 6 and 7. 5, 6 and 7 you will do yourself. Carefully read the question and solve the question. If you have any problem, so you can leave the comment. So student, in my next video I will start from the question number 8. From the question number 8 of this exercise I will start in my next video. So thank you student, thank you very much.